Hey guys, welcome to Project Management World, and today we will cover a very important topic, and which is from Agile. So you see these days a lot of questions, more than 50% of questions for PMP exam from Agile. So we'll cover this topic, which is really important, and which is incremental and iterative life cycles. So most of the people, including me, I was also having some confusion between these two life cycles because these two look similar, but actually they are not. So let's see how these two differs from each other. So if you see the screen, so these are the definitions. So let's start from iterative. So what it is telling here, iterative development is when teams gradually build up the features and functions, but don't wait until each of these is complete before releasing. So what we actually do here in iterative, for example, we have an e-commerce website which has 4 to 5 features that we need to launch as a product team or a project team. So what we do here, we release for customer review or for refinement the basic information that we have, and then we take the feedback from the owner or the customer, and then we again refine that. So gradually taking feedback and doing the work in step to step, we at the end we come up with the final product. So that is what iterative life cycle is all about, and I'll give some examples as well in coming slides, and a very simple example as well. So same for the incremental. So how it is different here? So incremental development is a development approach that slices the product into fully working slices that are called increment. So now we have for example e-commerce website. So what we will do here, we won't release some basic information then wait for feedback or something. We slices that into different parts. For example, we slices that into 3 parts, that yes, first we need to release this feature fully, so then we just fully release one feature, then we release another, then another. So this is the basic difference between incremental and iterative. See, these are the basic you can say steps or phases of a project. So in iterative life cycle, initially we analyze, then we analyze the design, and then we do the prototype. After taking feedback, we did the prototype, then we went to the build test, and then in this phase as well we refined it with taking feedbacks and brainstorming from customer. And after all the refining is done, we will release the product in one go in iterative life cycle. Whereas if you see in incremental life cycle, so what we have done here, we have divided all the phases into 3 parts here in this example. And if you see here, we are delivering final product in each slice, you can say. So we have first slice, you can say duration may differ, but our ultimate goal is to release the product in incremental way. So that is the difference here. Characteristics, predictive is also there, but we will discuss about iterative and incremental here. So these are divided into 4 categories: requirement, activities, delivery, and goal. So see, for iterative, requirement for both are dynamic, like requirement are dynamic. Activities, it is saying that for iterative, repeated until correct. So we take feedback, we refine the product, and then we release in one go. And for incremental, performed once for given increment. So activities, you can say we perform, we had slices it down into different parts, and then we release into one go. And then delivery is a single delivery, and incremental is a frequent smaller deliveries. And the goal for iterative is correctness of solution. So we need to find a correct solution. That is the goal of iterative. And incremental, we need to, like, speed is the most important goal here. So that are the characteristics. So I hope you are understanding from this as well. Now at last I'll just give you very simple example, just show you on the screen as well. So I hope you will definitely understand from this, and you will be able to recognize like which life cycle we are talking about. We see a lot of questions in your our exam as well from these two, and so let's go for this slide. So if you see here, Okay, so this is a portrait we have. So what we are doing in Iterative. So we prepared the handly sketch first, and then we went for the refinement. And after that, taking feedback, we filled the color and all things, and we have a final product at number 3. So this is how we are delivering delivering in one go, and we are having iterative life cycle going like this. And then if you see the incremental, we have divided the fully functional, like we are not doing sketching and all, we are releasing with all painting final product, but that is divided into different parts. So for example, the first number they are releasing the face, then second number they are second half as well plus face, and then and the third increment they have released a fully picture. So this is the basic difference between iterative and incremental, and you will see a lot of questions from this as well. So hope you have understood something from this video, and yeah, that's it from today's, and we will come back with another videos as well soon. So yeah, have a good day. Thanks.